What's going on YouTube? Alright, we're back in my 25 Rivian R1T, which is a tri-motor, and we have a MOLLE panel from our friends at IRVLABS. Now, what a MOLLE panel is a modular, lightweight, load-carrying equipment, which is an acronym, and we can see what it does is exactly that. It carries things. We all who have trucks know what MOLLE panels are, and IRVLABS makes MOLLE panels for now Rivian, but they've also made them for, I guess, bikes, e-bikes or whatnot. Check their website out, IRVLABS.com. They're kind enough to send this out. Go ahead and do a little review on it, see what it's all about, and here we are. So, first impression. This thing is made like meticulously and very, very well done. Let me go ahead and knock on it. As you can hear, it is definitely a metal type material. It seems to be powder coated of some sort, and definitely rugged and stays in place. Very, very easy to install. Packaging was amazing. It came in bubble wrapped, came with a magnet, some instructions which have a QR code on it, few stickers, and very easy to unpackage and install. Fits definitely perfectly down here. You can see that it has, we left in the mat, which looks perfect with it, does great. I love the mats that come in Rivian. They're awesome. So I want to utilize that. Some of the ones that I reviewed on Amazon or whatnot, they come in, they're plastic, they're very, very lightweight, and just fly all over the place. They don't hold your stuff well. These ones do, and what I like about it is, scan the QR code, it literally shows a video that goes to their Instagram at IRVLABS, and it slides in right here. There's a little lip that goes under a little bit, and it stays in place. It's not going anywhere. I've driven around all night with this, half the day today, testing it out, and it fits perfect. I would say right here, I would put something like maybe some tissues or whatnot. You find a box, right? It could fit under there a little bit, pull them right out, you're good to go. Right here, we have a cup holder. Let me backtrack for a second. You can get these in many different situations and add-ons. You get this base plate, and then you add on to it. I had like a little storage holder here, a second one added here, the cup holder, and then these are mid-side plates. If we go and look up here, you'll see that you can add a low side plate and also a high side plate. I chose to this mid design, which I like, works well for me. So the cup holders, you can see I got some gum in this one, and I got a Gatorade in this one. The right side here is larger than the left, so this would set. Now, obviously, this one the Gatorade style. It doesn't go anywhere. I've driven all over the place. Fits perfectly, stays in spot. This has stayed here. Obviously, it's kind of low, so it's not going to go far. But this would fit something like maybe the Rivian water bottle or something of that sort. Definitely fits perfectly there too as well. Next, what I love about this the most, which is kind of shallow in a sense, I had this here for the longest time. This is a bag that I've reviewed, and it works great. Throw some stuff in it. Just sits down there. Women, they throw their purse. I just had this bag down there. Has a cup holder. Did perfect, but what it did is it prevented this slide out drawer from going in. Or coming out, I should say. Look it. No more prevention. I can get to this drawer. If you have the camp speaker, can slide it out easily. Don't have to move anything. They thought that through. I like that a lot, personally. The bag, no longer. I'm going to throw it in the back. It can stay for snacks and whatnot that I don't want to show up here and clutter up. But other than that, this is working perfect. I love it how it just slides out. Good to go. Cup holder obviously slides out, works perfect. It worked perfect with the bag. That was never impeded, but always good to see. Sunglasses, I just throw over here. I got a little fidget toy over there. Got some snacks going on over here. Got some gum. Got my wallet, so on and so forth. Really, really nice implementation. Looks great. Does exactly what it's supposed to do. And it's well made. I love the metal aspect of it. And again, I'm pushing on it. It's, you know, it'll give a little bit, but it's not going to move on you if you have to slam on the brakes or whatnot. Things aren't going to go flying. I gotta say, IRVLABS, you did a great job. Again, they make these, I believe, for a few other vehicles coming soon, or if not now, check their website out. I know they do them for a bunch of bikes. They look great on them as well. Head over to IRVLABS. Tell him Jade the Dev sent you. Get some of these MOLLE panels in your Rivian, on your e-bike. They are awesome, and definitely a great company that I want to help promote, because out of all the storage implementations for this down here, this one, hands-on, is the best. And for the price, you're not going to beat the quality. Not even a chance. IRVLABS, again, thank you for sending this out. I'm going to enjoy this one. I hope you guys do too. On to the next video. See ya.